In Chestnut Nature Kids, part of our program is developing leadership skills, things such as confidence and compassion, as well as responsibility. We empower our youth to lead through helping them connect with themselves and each other, as well as the environment around them. Another thing that we do in Chestnut Nature Kids is share our resources and the stuff we have with people who do not have access to these resources. These people can be elderly people, victims of domestic violence, as well as people who just live in urban cities and really don't get to be around nature. We'd like to take a moment to thank all of the people who have donated this year. Your donations are what keep us going and being able to provide our services. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching the video, and we hope that you continue to support us in our endeavors.